Watching how fast that be creeping. Late night. I fill this bitch up with my scene.
Yo, what's up guys, Benevolent, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Summrs in his new song Late Night. Low-key, I haven't been a huge Summrs fan in the past, but I really like how this song was sounding, so I decided to do a preset on it. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys Summrs Late Night.
Late night, watching our vibes that be creepy. Late night, I fill this bitch up with my sing. Late night, I gotta watch out cause I'm screaming. If they try it, I'ma empty the clip. If they try it, I'ma make stop breathing. Late night. If you leave with me tonight, it could be the best night you ever had. Yeah, the serve got me in my bed. I got Hermes on the bed. I might fly this bitch to Italy. You ain't high as me, not literally. You ain't fly as me, you ain't high as me. I'm my own one, bitch, I gotta be. It's that mafia vibing this shit. What you thought? Chrome hot on the wheels. Yeah, that's how I feel. Yeah, we ready to kill. What you thought?
So yeah, that's what the original song sounded like. Now, like always, I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals with no preset on, trying to sound like Summrs.
Late night, I gotta watch out cause I was creeped. If they tried, I'ma empty the clip. If they tried, I'ma make it stop breathing. Late night.
So yeah, that's what my raw vocals sound like. And then when you turn on these Summrs presets, it sounds like this.
It's just me and my gun in this bitch. It's just me and my gun in this bitch. It's just me and my gun in this bitch. It's just me and my gun in this bitch. Late night, watching how fast that be creeping. Late night, I fill this bitch up with my scene. Late night, I gotta watch out cause I was creeping. If they tried, I'ma empty the clip. If they tried, I'ma make it stop breathing. Late night. If you leaving me tonight, gonna be the best night you ever had. Yeah, the sir got me in my bed. Got Hermes on the bed. I'ma fly this bitch to Italy. You ain't high as me, not literally. You ain't fly as me, you ain't high as me. I'm the only one, bitch, I gotta be. It's the mafia, baby, and shit. What you thought? Yeah. Chrome hot on the wheels. Yeah, that's how I feel. Yeah, we ready to kill. Ready to kill.
So yeah, that's what the Summrs presets sound like. So I got the main, I got the ad lib, and then I got this loud lib, which is kind of like an ad lib, but like it's where he was still recording like the main vocal. He just put it into a louder ad lib. And yeah, all of these presets will be completely free in the Discord. The only thing that isn't free is my master preset. And for this song, I did use my Best Waves master preset. And essentially what this preset does is it just makes it louder. It makes the vocals sound a little bit more prominent in the mix, and it also just sounds more professional in general. So if you guys want that master preset, it'll be linked below. Or if you want to get this whole FLP, it'll come with this FLP, my raw vocals and everything just the way it is on your screen. It'll also come with a template ready to record in, and it'll come with the Best Waves master preset as well as the Best Stock master for those of you that don't have Waves plugins. And both of those master presets are $10 on my website, but this FLP is only $15, so you'll be saving money if you buy this instead of the masters. So go check it out, benevolent.shop, second link in the description. But with all that promo out of the way, let me show you where to get these presets. So you just go into the Discord, you scroll down here where it says Benevolent Presets, and then it should be right here at the bottom. And then all of these other presets in here are completely free. There's hundreds of presets in there. So yeah, have fun with those presets, try them all out. Now let me show you how to use this preset. So once you download it, you just drag it onto whatever insert you want to record on, and then all you have to do once the presets are in here, you just got to click right here and then click your microphone. Mine's N2, and then you just press record. And then once you press record, you press space, and it records the vocals. And the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick before I end this video is my auto-tune settings, just in case you guys have different auto-tunes than me. So this is the auto-tune for the main. The song is in G sharp minor. I used a retune speed of 5 and a humanize of 16 for the main. And then for the ad lib, I used 0 retune speed, 0 humanize, and for the other ad lib, I also used 0 retune speed and 0 humanize. And the only other thing that isn't stock in these plugins is Fresh Air, which is a completely free plugin. I'll leave the link for that below. All you have to do is sign up for an account with Slate Digital, and then you just download the plugin. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. So if this video helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you think I should do next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.